I'm Kelly Saxton, the real estate barista.
And I'm Nathan Meyer, the real estate transformer. We are with the Home Squad team.
Brokered by eXp Realty.
We have a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo.
It's located in the Sea Haven Resort in historic Saint Augustine, Florida.
So get ready for your lives to be transformed.
Grab your coffee and let's go check it out.
Yeah. Welcome to this breathtaking, fully furnished oceanfront condo that offers the ultimate luxury beach living experience. As you step into the condo, you are greeted with an open floor plan living area that seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living. Notice the beautiful updated ceramic tile throughout. The kitchen is conveniently located in the front of the home, so you can easily entertain guests while cooking up a storm. With over 1,300 square feet of living space, you will have plenty of room to kick back, relax, and take in the beautiful views and sounds of the ocean.
The patio is the perfect spot to enjoy a cup of coffee and soak up the stunning ocean views. This well-maintained condo has 2 full bathrooms and 3 bedrooms, allowing 6 to sleep comfortably. The primary suite offers a king bed, sliding doors leading out to the breathtaking views, and a walk-in closet. The second bedroom has a full bed. The third bedroom has 2 twin beds.
If you are looking for the ultimate beachfront living experience, this 3-bedroom, 2 full bathroom oceanfront condo is the perfect place to call home.
Sea Haven Resort is 10 to 15 minutes from downtown Saint Augustine. On the property, you will find 1 large central pool with plenty of space to lounge and relax. Amenities include a shuffleboard court, putt-putt course, car wash, and a picnic area with grills for your enjoyment.
The building is located in a prime location, just steps away from some of the best restaurants, shops, and entertainment that the area has to offer.
The most popular attractions the area has to offer, such as Discovery Center, haunted adventures, train tours, golf, alligator farm, nature and science cruises, museums, and an escape room. And of course, the Atlantic Ocean.
Known as the nation's oldest city, Saint Augustine presents itself as one of the best vacation destinations in all of Florida for travelers looking for vacation rentals, whether you're a history buff or just like the appeal of a small, quiet location tucked next to the ocean.
The small boardwalk to the beach over the luscious sand dunes is one of the many perks at the Sea Haven Resort.
Kelly, what an amazing opportunity. What was your favorite part?
The kitchen. You can see the ocean waves just crashing from the beach.
I know, and it's on the first floor.
No stairs.
Jinx.
Right?
Yeah.
I just love it. I mean, it's so open, beachy, and
it comes fully furnished. There are bookings in place, so if you want to rent it out, you can keep those bookings or
turnkey.
Yeah, turnkey, or you can live there. The choice is yours.
3 bedrooms is incredible.
I know, and there's the ocean right there off of the living room.
So I can have my coffee in the morning out on the porch.
And off of the primary bedroom.
Oh, love it.
What a cool opportunity, right?
Yeah.
So if you want to own an oceanfront condo, let us know. I'm Nathan Meyer.
And I'm Kelly Saxton.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.